Bienvenue, bienvenidos, welcome. Your girl is back with another video, and this one is part of the Newly Naturals series. Don't forget to like the video, of course. If you like the video, don't forget to share with a friend, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, guys. We're trying to grow hair. Anywho, today we're here to talk about sleep. So my girlfriend, who I convinced to grow natural, asked me the other day, what is this sleep thing you're always talking about? What do you mean when you say sleep? And I took it for granted that everybody knows what sleep means, because I think I heard the term and I automatically knew what it was. So I decided to make a video letting you know what sleep is. Now, there is no proper Webster's dictionary definition for sleep, but I'm going to try to do my best to explain what sleep means, what sleep feels like, so that when you encounter sleep, you know what it is. Sleep pretty much refers to the characteristic of a hair product whereby the product is slippery. The product is lubricated. That's the best I can explain it. It refers to the slipperiness of the product. You can tell when a product is slippery versus when it's not slippery. When I say slip, the first thing that comes to mind is ochre, like slime. The closer to slimy the product is in terms of the feel, the slipperier it is, the more slip it has. And these products are very good for detangling hair. Here's why. Because one of the reasons we have major tangles is because our hair is probably too dry, and so when strands slide past each other, if there is not enough moisture, strands will stick and create knots and create tangles. Slip is the characteristic that will allow the strands to slip past each other smoothly, and because the strands are slippery with the product, they will glide past each other. So that's why slip is important in your hair conditioner, and it is beneficial in your leave-in conditioner or your deep conditioner as well. Not wholly necessary because you do not use these other products to detangle, but it is absolutely necessary in your rinse out conditioner because you're using that product to detangle your hair. Many people use conditioners that don't have slip, and so the conditioners do not work effectively, and that is why some people have a lot of breakage during wash day, and wash day is such a traumatic experience for people. If you have a rinse out conditioner that has a lot of slip, your tangles will literally melt away. Hence why I love the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration Conditioner. There are a few other conditioners that I love with slip. For example, the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Conditioner, I believe. I will put the correct name on the screen and in the description box. I have an OBN Naturals Detangler that has great slip. My Irish Moss leave-in has good slip for a leave-in conditioner. Some natural ingredients that may increase the slip of a product that you can look out for are marshmallow root, slippery elm, okra, even flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel has a little bit of slip. So these are some ingredients that may increase the slip of a product.
My crown's so heavy, better help me carry. My crown's so heavy, better help me carry. My crown's so heavy, crown's so heavy, my crown's so heavy.